the LMF2. When you're looking for a fixed blade knife, LMF2 is where it's at. Drop point blade, serrated edge, really thick, ergonomic to your hand, spike pommel. The LMF2 was originally designed to get aircrew out of a downed aircraft by cutting their way out or breaking their way out. Non-conductive handle, if you got to cut wires, it's not going to electrocute you. Designed with 3 holes so that you can create a lashing and actually create a spear with it. I'll tell you what, this was coming at you, you're in trouble. It wouldn't be right to have a heavy-duty knife without a heavy-duty sheath. This sheath right here has MOLLE attachments for your vest, belt loop to put on your belt. Knife comes in and out both ways. Even comes with a sharpener. So if you're in the field, your knife gets dull, get it sharp, get right back on task. Made in America, right here in Portland, Oregon. This is the LMF2.
This is the Gerber Swagger AO Assisted Opening Technology 2.0. Lightweight, discreet, pocket carry folder. Got a pocket clip on the back for easy carry in your pocket. G10 scales for great and confident grip in all environments. An ambidextrous thumb stud allows you to deploy the blade quickly and confidently every single time. You've got a drop point on the front for slicing and carving. You've got serrations across the bottom for cutting and tearing. Simple push of the plunge lock redeploys the knife. This is the Gerber Swagger AO.
Today at CRKT we are taking a look at the M2104G. This is a Kit Carson design that is an EDC knife. It's sort of a workhorse, big dog knife. The overall length on it is 9¼ inches. The length, the blade length, is 3.8 inches. It's got a titanium nitride finish on it, a deep belly spear point. G10 handles are going to add a lot of strength to the handle, and they're also comfortable. Check it out in my hand. It is a large knife, so if you've got big hands, this is going to be a good one for you. The pocket clip on it is 4-way reversible, so you can carry it here, here, tip up, or tip down on either side of the knife. Let me show you a shot of it in my pocket to give you an idea of how it rides. To close it, simply pull down on this auto locks tab here. This is a safety feature that we use. So pull down there, push over on the locking liner, and close the knife. Now the reason we do this is it sets a set pin up against that locking liner. So it is not going to close until you pull that red button down, push over, and close the knife. The size comparison compared to my house key there, definitely a large knife. Also, you need to know it comes in VEF serrations. Check that out right there. Those are wicked serrations. They work really, really well for cutting fibrous materials and that sort of thing. Again, this is the M2104G, designed by Kit Carson and available from CRKT.
So our Micro Recon 1, we just tested it at 125 pounds. This knife weighs under 2 ounces, just a little over an ounce. For a tiny, tiny knife to hold that, it's unbelievable. Still working good.